Hello, now we're going to be learning about planets. So this book is called Every Planet Has a Place, a book about our solar system. Author Becky Baines, and it says, you are here. What planet do we live on? We live on Earth. Every planet has a place. So there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So there we are, Earth. The planets race one by one in their rings around the sun. The sun's a star so hot and bright, it sends us lots of heat and light. The sun and everything in our solar system, even us, is made of the exploded leftovers of ancient stars. We are made of old stardust. Nearest the sun are 4 planet worlds made mostly out of rock. So Mercury, Venus is covered with volcanoes. Earth, that's where we live. Mars is red because it's made of iron and it's rusty. It even has a rusty pink sky. So Earth is the 3rd rock from the sun. 1, 2, 3. The 3rd, our Earth, has just the right spot. Not too cold, not too hot. The heat and light Earth gets from the sun make it just right for life. The asteroid belt is mostly rocks circling the sun. And how many dwarf planets does it have? Count, you'll find just one. Serious? There are more collisions in the asteroid belt than anywhere else in the solar system. That crashing makes lots of space dust. There's the asteroids. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. 1,300 Earths can fit inside it. Out beyond the asteroids, 4 gas planets whirl. So there's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So those are the 4 gas planets. Remember the 4 rock planets? Let's go back to that. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And the gas planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is a hurricane that has lasted 300 years. They have wild, wild weather. That's Jupiter. The gas giants are not solid. They are clouds of gas. The clouds on Jupiter move faster than hurricane winds on Earth. Tons of moons together. Some moons are bigger than some planets, but they are still moons because they orbit planets and enormous rings that swirl. All the gas giants have rings. Saturn's rings are made of bits of dust-covered ice. Some pieces are as small as dust. Some are bigger than houses. What comes next? The Kuiper belt full of comets and rocks and dwarf planets hiding like toys in a cereal box. Some comets, like Halley's, come from here. Now look at this picture and see us in the Milky Way galaxy. Our whole solar system sits here in a cloud called the local fluff. Our sun is just one of 400 billion stars in the galaxy. And the Milky Way galaxy is one of billions of galaxies in outer space. It's nice to know in our corner of space that every planet has a place. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, those are the rock planets, and the gas planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What do you think it would feel like to float in space? So I want you to answer one of these questions. I want you to write about it and draw a picture, so listen to all the questions. What do you think it would feel like to float in space? You can write about that, or you can write about, if you could live on another planet, which one would you choose? Or if your bed is the sun, what's Earth? What do you think the Earth would look like if you were standing on Venus? What do you think space sounds like? Pretend you are the sun. Swing a yo-yo above your head in a circle. The yo-yo is like a planet. So think about one of those questions, and I want you to write and draw about it. Okay, we'll be learning some more about planets. Have a great day.